Hello, you guys. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, I just rode my motorcycle and just came back. Um, I'm doing this video. So this video is for those people who have the Chrysler from 2000 Chrysler Pacifica from 2017 to 2023, and this might be a common problem. So this video is for you. If you're the owner, you just have to be aware of the problem you're having. Um, So if you have a Chrysler Pacifica 2017 to 2023, make sure you check this every other week, um, so so you can get it fixed. Because if you let it go on for a long time, you might gonna have engine problem because of this oil leak. So my car is a 2018 with only 26,000 miles, and a couple of months ago I already saw there's a leaking. So if you check any area that's surrounding, so this is the oil filter, and anything surrounding at the bottom. If you see any pool of oil that's happening, that's mean that your oil filter housing, or they call the cooler, is leaking, because one of the gasket is leak. Because that oil filter housing is made out of plastic, and it's connected to the engine, and if the engine is getting hot and cold all the time, the plastic is expanding and contracting, and it make the gasket leak. So I found out the leak, and it should cover under a powertrain warranty. So lucky for me, my car still have one more month of powertrain warranty. So I brought it to a dealer, and the dealer fixed it. So this is what the receipt for the dealer, and what they replace is the oil filter adapter, I mean the oil filter housing, and then replace 2 cylinder gasket head cover, and then 6 spark plug seal, and then you got 6 gasket intake manifold, and then another 6 gasket plenum, and then 2 seal, and another 2 seal of crankshaft sensor. So that's all they replaced, and this should all cover under a powertrain warranty. But I know for the fact is the housing, the oil filter housing is cost about $200. So if you including all this seal and stuff like that, it should be somewhere between $250 to $300 just for the part itself. And the estimate is just for looking at it is $558. So if you don't have powertrain warranty, or your car is out of warranty, and if you bring this to the dealer, it probably cost you more than $1,000 just to replace this leak oil housing right here, or they call the cooler. If you are a DIY person, and then if you kind of get a little bit handy with doing car work, and then you can replace it yourself, but it's gonna take maybe 3 to 4 hours to get it done. So that's you rather get it fixed soon or early as possible, because if the oil continue to leak, and then the more leak is happening, and that means your car engine will be ran out of oil, and you don't want to drive with the car engine ran out of oil. That's gonna cost you the engine, and you rather replace you rather waste $200 for the part and replace it early than get it too late, and then the engine itself is gonna cost $5,000 to $6,000. So you rather waste $200 than $6,000. So that's just something you want to be aware of. And trust me, my car is only 26,000 miles, so, and it's already leaking, so I'm sure it's going to happen at any mile. So that's something you should be aware of. And if you have this car, Chrysler Pacifica, just make sure you check it every other week to catch the symptom early and get it replaced before it's too late. So that's it for this video, and I hope you find it useful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.